GEP, the Slow English Podcast.
Your journey start now. Hello, English learners. Welcome to your podcast.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here.
Today, we talk about your day.
Yes, talking about your day is very useful.
Do not worry, we speak slowly. You can follow us.
Let's learn together. Start now.
What do you do in the morning, Jack?
In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I see. 7 o'clock, that is early.
Yes, I am not a late sleeper.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face.
Good. Brushing teeth is important.
After that, I take a shower. I like hot water.
A hot shower feels nice in the morning.
Yes, then I eat breakfast. Breakfast is important.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I drink milk.
Eggs and bread. That sounds good.
After breakfast, I get dressed. Then I go to work.
Yes, many people go to work in the morning.
This is my morning routine. It is simple.
What do you do in the afternoon, Jack?
In the afternoon, I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
Lunch at 12. That is midday.
Yes, I eat lunch with my friends at work.
What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich and some fruit.
A sandwich and fruit. Healthy lunch.
Yes, I like healthy food.
What do you do after lunch?
After lunch, I work more. I answer emails and have meetings.
Working in the afternoon is common.
Yes, many jobs are from 9 to 5.
Do you take a break in the afternoon?
Sometimes I drink coffee at 3 o'clock.
Coffee time. I love coffee too.
Coffee helps me feel awake.
Yes, coffee is popular in the afternoon.
At 5 o'clock, my work ends. I go home.
Going home after work is nice. I enjoy relaxing in the evening. What do you do in the evening, Jack?
In the evening, I arrive home at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? That is dinner time.
Yes, I am usually hungry at 6.
What do you do when you get home?
First, I change my clothes. I wear comfortable clothes at home.
Yes, changing clothes feels good after work.
Then I cook dinner. I like to cook.
What do you cook for dinner?
I cook rice, vegetables, and chicken. It is healthy.
Rice, vegetables, and chicken. Yummy!
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I watch TV or read a book.
Watching TV is relaxing in the evening.
Yes, I watch news and some fun shows.
Do you go to bed early?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I need sleep.
10 o'clock? That is a good time to sleep.
Yes, sleep is important for health.
You have a good evening routine, Jack. How do you talk about your day, Jack?
I say, good morning. I say, good afternoon. I say, good evening.
Yes, these are common greetings.
When I meet friends, I ask how their day is.
How do you ask?
I say, how was your day?
How was your day? That is useful.
Yes, friends like to talk about their day.
What do people answer?
They say, it was good, or it was busy.
It was good or it was busy. Simple answers.
Yes, you can also say, it was great or it was okay.
Can I ask more questions?
Sure, you can ask, what did you do today?
What did you do today? That is a good question.
Yes, it helps you learn about others.
Talking about your day helps you make friends.
Yes, communication is important in English.
Practice talking about your day every day. Now we learn important words. First word, morning.
Morning is the time from wake up to noon.
Example, I eat breakfast in the morning. Morning, morning, good.
Next word, afternoon.
Afternoon is the time from noon to evening.
Example, I work in the afternoon. Afternoon, afternoon, great.
Next word, evening.
Evening is the time from afternoon to night.
Example, I watch TV in the evening. Evening, evening, good job.
Next word, breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Example, I eat eggs for breakfast. Breakfast, breakfast, well done.
Next word, lunch.
Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day.
Example, I eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Lunch, lunch, great.
Next word, dinner.
Dinner is the last meal of the day. Example, I eat dinner at 6 o'clock. Dinner, dinner, good.
Next word, work.
Work is your job or tasks.
Example, I go to work every day. Work, work, well done.
Next word, home.
Home is where you live.
Example, I go home at 5 o'clock. Home, home, great.
Next word, day.
Day is 24 hours. It is from morning to night. Example, today is a good day. Day, day, good job.
Last word, routine.
Routine is what you do every day.
Example, my morning routine is simple. Routine, routine, well done.
Now it is time for questions. Think about your answers.
Question 1. Do you wake up early? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 2. What time do you wake up? Think about the time.
Question 3. Do you eat breakfast? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 4. What do you eat for breakfast? Think about food.
Question 5. Do you work in the morning? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 6. What do you do at work? Think about your tasks.
Question 7. Do you eat lunch at home? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 8. What time do you eat lunch? Think about the time.
Question 9. Do you drink coffee in the afternoon? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 10. What do you do after work? Think about your activities.
Question 11. Do you cook dinner? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 12. What do you eat for dinner? Think about food.
Question 13. Do you watch TV in the evening? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 14. What time do you go to bed? Think about the time.
Question 15. Is your day busy? Yes or no? Think about it.
Great job today, English learners.
You learned about talking about your day. This is very useful.
Practice these words every day. You can do it.
Use these words with your friends. It helps you learn.
Morning, afternoon, evening. These are important words.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner. 3 meals every day.
Talk about your day in English. It is good practice.
We will see you next time. Have a great day.
Bye-bye. Keep learning English every day.
Goodbye. You are doing great. See you soon.
Your learning journey doesn't stop here. Keep improving your English. Click the next video or explore more episodes we've picked just for you. See you in the next lesson.